So 2020 is almost over, thankfully. However, there's still some time left for you to explore the crypto space. Maybe you read some of these crazy stories on how people became millionaires by investing just a couple $100 back then on Bitcoin. Or maybe you may have been researching a little bit about Bitcoin and how does it work, but never taken the decision to make the first step. We've all been there, and today is your day. So I promise you, if you watch and follow this video, by the end you'll get started into investing in Bitcoin and will understand what steps you need to take in order to keep it and maintain it safe and secure. This may be a small step for you, but a great step for crypto race. So the first step you're going to need to be doing in order to get some Bitcoin is to pick up an exchange. There are plenty exchanges out there, and an exchange is sort like a marketplace where you can use a bank transfer or your credit or debit cards to purchase crypto assets. There are some alternatives where you can buy Bitcoin with cash from other people, but I think I'll leave that topic for another video. For this example, we are going to select crypto.com, since for me it's one of the exchanges with the lowest fees out there, and I really recommend it because it's one of the easiest ones to use. I'll leave you a link below with a limited time offer where they will give you $50 for free if you ever decide to get one of their credit or debit crypto cards, which offer great benefits such as free Spotify, Netflix, and even a percentage in cashback, among with other cool discounts in popular apps, depending on the card you apply for. So anyways, the first step we are going to take is to click the link below and follow the instructions to make a new account. They are going to ask you to download their app from the App Store or the Play Store and install it on your phone. After creating a new account, they will ask you for verification, probably just a picture of your ID. This is a government requisite for most exchanges out there to keep them safe from terrorist funding and money laundering. So after sending the required documents, they will verify your account. This will happen probably in a couple of hours or even up to several days depending on the demand. After your account is completely verified, now purchasing Bitcoin or any other crypto asset is really simple. Just select the coin you want to purchase, in this case Bitcoin, and select how do you want to pay for it. So input your details in case you decide to pay with your credit card, and after a couple of minutes the Bitcoin will arrive to your account. It's really that simple. So now you are the proud proprietor of a cryptocurrency. Congratulations. Now for the second part of this mini tutorial, I will show you how to transfer your Bitcoin to your own private wallet. So why do you want to do this? Most recognized crypto exchanges are usually safe, and they will store your coins for you in a really simple manner. It is actually a pretty good idea to leave your coins in the exchange if you are not holding a large sum of coins, since they are really easy to access and they give you the possibility to recover your coins in case you forget your password. However, there's always a small risk of exchanges wallets to be hacked or censored by some totalitarian government. So if you want to store your coins in the safest manner possible, I would really recommend you to transfer them to a personal crypto wallet. So for Bitcoin specifically, I would recommend you to download Blue Wallet in iOS and Android. After installing it, generate a Bitcoin address and store very well your seed phrase and password, because nobody will be able to help you to recover them in the future in case you lose them. Just the one that knows the seed phrase and the password will have access to the funds. So please don't share them with anybody or upload them to the internet. After that, you just created a personal Bitcoin wallet. Now to transfer the funds from the exchange to your personal wallet, just click on Receive on your personal wallet and an address will appear on your screen. Copy that address and paste it on your exchange wallet in the withdrawing address, and you will move your Bitcoin from the exchange wallet to your own personal wallet. They will probably charge you a small transaction fee to cover the cost of the blockchain transaction itself. So congratulations, you now form part of the crypto space. You now can decide whether you will hold your coins as an investment or, if you prefer, to spend them on different websites where they will accept Bitcoin. I'll probably get a small tutorial on the future on the sites where you can spend your Bitcoin. So thanks for watching to the end, and please consider subscribing for more excellent content about cryptocurrency and investing tutorials. Logging out from the crypto space.